Welcome to Design Cafe's Experience Center. I'm Shanali and this is your one-stop solution for all your home interior needs. Welcome to the Maximalist style living cum dining area that infuses a variety of colors, prints and styles of furniture into one space. On my right is a TV unit with an overhead mirror finished sliding shutter. Beneath we have pull-out drawers for extra storage. Up ahead, we have a single seater with a chest of drawers for more storage as well. Here we have a library unit that comes with hidden storage behind, so you can stack away all those things you don't want your guests to see. Next to it is an integrated bar and wine rack unit.